Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this class, we're going to show you the Argentine Tango basic sandwich. It is a great figure if you are transitioning from beginner to intermediate level.
Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, here we are. Let's show you this. Side step. We have ochos, sandwich, exit, and just going to resolution, fit together to combine this with another figure if we need it.
There are many ways to exit from the sandwich. In this case, we are rotating towards the leader's right in order to keep the line of dance. Otherwise, we may end up facing against the line of dance, which is not good.
Very important to be aware of line of dance. So we are doing a side step. I feel the lead for back ocho. The second backward ocho is a little deeper, and I see his foot getting together to my front foot. So he's creating a sandwich. I just wait here, try not to move followers until you feel the next lead. In this case, when he goes back, I move forward, and I have the opportunity to do a sandwich to his foot, his left foot. So I'm waiting here with feet together, toes facing outside, until he does the lead to exit, and later we continue moving out of the figure to the resolution. So mainly for followers is to be waiting on those moments.
Yes.
His sandwich and my sandwich, you have to do it, do the figure, and wait there, try not to move, unless you want to do an embellishment that we are going to show you in a different video.
For the leaders, very quick, we are doing salida to the side, changing to accompany backward ochos. Now, sandwich, I'm doing a little stop, I'm over-rotating her. If we don't over-rotate her, we may end up too far apart, which is a common problem. Over-rotate her so we don't lose the distance from our embrace. Tack. Sandwich. Sandwich is very much on the front part of her foot, not completely. And from here, bring her all the way up first we position the leg, and then we bring her to the front as we transfer body weight. Now, she's not going to the other side yet. We need to lift her, look. One, a little bit with the rib cage, pull from the right shoulder blade to present her leg, and continue pulling to create a side step. In this side step, I'm readjusting in front of her in order to create the line of dance and resolve the step. Let us rotate, and we're going to do this with a little more dynamic.
Try to follow us if you are together with your partner, or you can do it by yourself. Side step, ocho, second ocho, sandwich for the leader, sandwich for the follower, lifting to exit, and walking to the cierre or resolution.
If you're at this point in the video and you like what you're seeing, if you leave a like or subscribe to the channel, it'll be much appreciated, and a comment to see which step you would like us to do next. This one was sandwich in Argentine Tango.
Great, see you on the next one.